Students, I kept the title of this video Good News and Bad News, and as I promised you, since our course is now being accessed not only in North India but also in South India, where a lot of people cannot understand Hindi, I am also going to record every video in pure English, whatever video I record. So what is good news? Good news is there is still enough time to prepare, and I will prove to you how. Bad news is if you are in the habit of making excuses, then God will help you, right? No one else can help you, God will help you. So let me explain the good news. Time remaining in NEET exam. NEET exam is on 3rd May. From now, 8 months remain. 8 months means 34 weeks. How much do we have to study? Understand this. So our sequence of studies for students who join our video course, you watch videos, take notes, read NCERT, right? After that, there is a mini test that is given. Then there is a problem solving live session, right? And after that, in which faculty comes and solves these questions which are given in the mini test. And after that, you do 100 questions in any chapter in physics, chemistry, 200 questions in bio, right? This you have to do 97 times because there are 97 chapters, on an average 16 hours per chapter, so approximately 1600 hours of studies. And this is to complete syllabus, right? Complete syllabus. To complete syllabus, you have to study 1600 hours till the time NEET exam happens. Additionally, we also give you 25 mock tests, right? So first thing I write, complete syllabus, 1600 hours, right? Then mock test. Mock test also consume time. I'll tell you how. So for every test, 20 hours of preparation where you are revising things out of your notes, reading some solved examples. I will do a complete video on how to prepare for mock test. Then 3 hours of writing the test writing, right? And then 5 to 7 hours of post-mortem. You will do a post-mortem, you will do a lot of post-mortems as doctors. You have to do post-mortem of your test also. So approximately 30 hours per test. So 25 tests, 25 into 30, this means how much? 750 hours, right? So total is 2350 hours of studies. Test and completing syllabus, 2350 hours of studies. And as you can see, you are also revising because you are revising for the test and you are doing post-mortem. 2350 hours, assume 4 weeks, complete April next year you want to keep for revision, right? So you have 30 weeks, so time 30 weeks. This will be approximately 11 to 12 hours per day. So this is the good news, students. If you study daily for 11 to 12 hours, you can complete syllabus, you can do mock test properly, revise for them, write test, do post-mortem of it so that you know where your weak areas are, and you get 4 weeks of complete revision in April also. This is the complete maths of it. The bad news is, if you don't study daily, then happy birthday. Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. September batch is starting, then some other batch will start later. You will keep asking, sir, I could not study earlier. Can I join September batch? Can I join October batch? It will not happen if you don't commit yourself to daily studies of 11 to 12 hours today, right? Second thing is, if you still have excuses, right? Understand this, students. Your parents have been telling everyone in the neighborhood, my son, my daughter is preparing to become a doctor. He or she is working very hard. You should not lie to them. Also, it is your own dream. It is your own life. You are 16, 17, 18 years old. You will be alive at least till 80. The kind of increase in life expectancy that is happening. You can give yourself a good life for next 62 years if you work hard for next 18 months. Next 8 months, not 18 months, 8 months. So I would strongly recommend the effort that you put now is going to help you all your life. That is how you have to say to yourself every day that I am going to work hard. I am going to give these 11 to 12 hours daily. Okay. So I told you what the good news and bad news is. Good news is you can still prepare properly for the NEET exam. Bad news is if you still have excuses, nothing will happen. What we have also done is we have also started a September batch exactly for this reason. September batch, right? And September batch you can take Hindi English course. Hindi English means teachers talk in Hindi, they write on the board in English, or you can take pure English course, right? And we have given schedule on neetprep.com starting 15th September ending 2nd April, so that you get 1 month for revision, right, students? And this pure English course is available for 15,000 for first 1,000 students. So this will close soon, but a lot of students have already enrolled, so that is very good. These students, if they do the required jogging with us 11 to 12 hours per day through our course, I am very confident they can prepare properly for the NEET exam. So hopefully all of this would be clear to you. If you want to talk to me, if you have any questions about the video course, you can call me on this number 966759190. I will guide you, but please don't call me if you have questions. Sir, how do I prepare? Sir, when is the NEET exam? When is the notification going to come? Please don't call me for those reasons. Don't waste your time and my time. Let us use this time, your time and my time, into making sure that we are prepared properly for NEET exam next year. That is why we have started this September batch. We will work very hard, but you also have to give these 11 to 12 hours daily to have a good shot at scoring 600 plus, which is a safe score in NEET exam. All right, students.